Hey guys, it's Carrie. Lots of amazing animals. African elephant. They are the largest animals walking the earth. Their herds wander through 37 countries in Africa. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions, feelings, compassion and self-awareness. One elephant molar is the size of a brick. The bulls determine whether the cow is ready by smelling her urine and genital area. During the courtship process, bulls approach females and attempt to use their trunk to stroke her. The females may retreat and the bulls chase them. Once the female decides to join the male, they stroke each other with their trunks. The female surrenders her hindquarters to the male and the bulls mount the females to begin mating. Copulation lasts for about 2 minutes. Females may mate with several different bulls. Pygmy hippopotamus. It is about the size of a domestic pig. The pygmy hippo is less aquatic than its larger relative, although when pursued, it hides in the water. It is native to the forests and swamps of West Africa. The pygmy hippo is reclusive and nocturnal. Bald eagle is actually a sea eagle. Both sexes are dark brown with a white head and tail. Black panther, also known as black jaguar and black leopard. Black jaguars are from Central and Southern America, and the black leopards are found in Africa and Asia. A certain combination of alleles stimulates the production of large amounts of the dark pigment melanin in the animal's fur and skin. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Jaguar is the largest New World member of the cat family. Its preferred habitats are usually swamps and wooded regions, but jaguars also live in scrublands and deserts. The jaguar is virtually extinct in the northern part of its original range and survives in reduced numbers only in remote areas of Central and South America. The largest known population exists in the Amazon rainforest. Jaguars are also larger and more heavily built than leopards. The Pantanal jaguar has a bite force of 2,000 psi. Zebra. They are large, single-hoofed ungulates built for speed and long-distance migrations. The male grevy's zebra are larger than the females. In the plains zebra and the mountain zebra, the sexes are nearly the same size. Zebras exhibit no other sexual dimorphism, which means differences in appearance between males and females, except for the males having spade-shaped canines used in fighting. The teeth of all three species are adapted for grazing. Zebras possess strong upper and lower incisors for cropping grasses and large high-crowned teeth for processing silicate-rich grasses that wear down molars. Cheetah. They have evolved many adaptations that enhance their ability to sprint. Their legs are proportionally longer than those of other big cats. An elongated spine increases stride length at high speeds. They have unretractable claws, special paw pads for extra traction, and a long tail for balance. The king cheetah. Its coat pattern comes from a rare recessive genetic mutation. Cheetahs live in groups consisting of a mother and her young, or of coalitions made up of 2 or 3 males that are often brothers. Adult males and females rarely meet except to mate. Tiger. Reproduction can be quite a dangerous time. Male tigers catch the scruff of the female's neck to firstly immobilize her while penetrating her, since the process is painful and the female could turn around and slap him. It also gives him a better balance during intercourse. Over 3 to 4 days, tigers can mate anywhere from 200 to 250 times, and sometimes it can be as frequent as every 5 to 7 minutes. The tiger's penis does not become erect when aroused. Instead, they contain a bone called a baculum, which is covered with barbs to help maintain connection during copulation. Lion, the proverbial king of beasts. Historically, they ranged across much of Europe, Asia, and Africa, but now they are found mainly in parts of Africa, south of the Sahara. An isolated population of about 650 Asiatic lions constitute a slightly smaller race that lives under strict protection in India's Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. Lions proclaim their territory by roaring and by scent marking. Their distinctive roar is generally delivered in the evening, before a night's hunting, and again before getting up at dawn. Males also proclaim their presence by urinating on bushes, trees, or simply on the ground, leaving a pungent scent behind. Defecation and rubbing against bushes leave different scent markings. Blue-footed booby occurs in the Pacific from southern California to northern Peru and on the Galapagos Islands. Leopard. In 1750, the leopard's geographic range spanned nearly the whole of Africa south of the Sahara, occupied parts of North and Northeast Africa, and extended from Asia Minor through to Central Asia and India to China and Manchuria. By 2019, the species had lost up to 75% of its former range. The leopard is a solitary animal of the bush and forest and is mainly nocturnal in habit, although it sometimes basks in the sun. It is an agile climber and frequently stores the remains of its kills in the branches of a tree. Please stay and watch another video with me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. Love to read those comments. guys in my next video.